That thing is good.
We are twisters, twisters, twisters coming to you with another video.
Good morning, bonjour, bonjour tout le monde. Ki jan nou ye? Je di an nou deyo nou deyo e pi nou tou chita ap kon video. Nou ka repon kek kesyon nou gen. Kek kesyon pil moun mande nou. Etan donne ke, as you can see, we different race. Let's go straight to it. So he's white, I'm black, I'm Haitian, he's American. So we get asking a lot of questions about that. So yeah, let's get those answers for you guys. So well, I feel like it's a lot of questions when two different races dating. People asking some questions are not for every couple, but most of the couple who's dating other race. Let me see that in Creole. Pi fò moun ki update l'autre race, spécialement sou update on nation qui pas même nation. Yeah, we have sandwich we're gonna eat. So you're not gonna eat the camera? No. So okay, if you're not gonna eat, I don't have to eat my food. Si bak manje tout men wache sandwich. I'm gonna go même now. Ah? It's good. That's a restaurant ki dey nan sa nan man pou di nak manje ya. Yeah, depi e pa nation ou update, gan pil kesyon moun pose ou. Depi update lot nation, yo pose ou pil kesyon. I mean, pour nous même personnellement, what question you been asked?
So the only question I really ever get asked is, how did we meet or where did we meet at? So, I mean, we met at work.
Yeah, so we're gonna put that video up here for you. So if you wanna know how we met, you can go there and look that video, okay? The video that I, what did I call it again? I do Meet My Husband.
Yeah.
And the video Meet My Husband, that's the story how we met, okay? Yeah, for those people who doesn't speak English out there, kesyon, mwen prepon kek kesyon gen yo, say, let's say all the question interracial couple ben ask, right? Tout kesyon moun ki update on lot nation, spécialement en blanc ak en noir, yo preske jwen kesyon sa yo sou wout yo. Même si pas ta même jan, yo preske jwen kesyon sa yo. Ki jan ou kontre. I mean, tan kou mdi nou, mak mette video an le a pou nou. Vi la kesyon ankor, yo toujou ap mande ki jan fami ou sentir le ap pran ou ap soti avek moun nan. How your family feel when they knowing that you're going out with that person. So we have that video too. You're gonna see William's version. My family version not there yet. We don't do it yet. So not make a video somewhere up here. Pour nous voir ça from William te pensé et puis la mettre vidéo qui j'en te contré. Si nous voulons checker ça pour nous connaître, n'a pour mais yo te vraiment welcoming. You welcome moi bien, you remember, you appreciate, okay?
A good video for you to do since your mom is here.
Oh yeah, my mom is here. Like they're always asking us to, like, if we're not scared for people out there who doesn't accept interracial couple, like yo toujou pose kesyon sa, eske nou pa peur pou moun de yo ki pa telman reme we on blanc ak on noir, eske nou pa peur pou reaksyon moun pou sa yo ka di, ou bien parce gen moun ki ka moun tankou ki ka telman pran personnel, ki ka senti ou vexé, soit juré, soit passé a fait style, so something. So how do you feel about it? So are you ever scared?
I've never been scared about it because I really don't care what people think. It's not their life, it's mine, so if they don't like it, they just turn the other way. But we've never had anybody come up to us and approach us and say anything. So which is probably better for them, because you get her upset, there's no stopping her. So but yeah, I mean, we just live our life, and if people have a problem with it, then they don't have to talk to us.
Yeah, mwen pa ge problem sa, mwen problem sa. Depi ou pa vin touche, you don't touch me, you mind your own business or you don't say something directly. If you're looking, you're looking. That's your own business. I'm doing my own business, you're doing your own business, so you on your way, I'm on my way. You don't touch me, you don't say anything directly. That's you. You can look because I don't know what you're looking. So I cannot like assume what you're looking at. So you know.
I don't socialize with people that have race issues anyway. Because obviously our son. So it's.
A bit before Zanmi William, before Ben and military, they've been all over the world. So they see every skin color, they say everything. So did not really judgmental because most of his friends been in military, been all over the world. So yeah, my people, they don't have any issue with it. So yeah. Gyon lot kesyon kon toujou gen, eske mwen ki toujou, mwen te jen an moun mandem sa nan travay mwen, le moun sa son indyen liye, li mandem, eske pata pli fasil pou te date an moun ki pop nasyon? Like, I have somebody at work, I told you about it, asking me, was it gonna be more easier to date somebody on your own, race or your own culture, you're from the same country as you from? That's what she was saying. But she did not mean like in a racist way. She just asking like culture-wise. That means gonna be having the same culture. I don't have to go and learn somebody else's culture. It's gonna be much. She's thinking it's gonna be much easier. She said, she asking me, was it gonna be easier for you? Yeah, question c'est donc moun nan mande est-ce que li pas plus facile pour date un monde qui dans même culture parce que les moun nan même culture li te ka plus facile pour to get along, pour nous connecter, pour nous jouer une connexion plus facile parce que nous avons même culture, nous tous des culture, là nous pas besoin à goumer, à chercher culture par là. Yeah, what your answer gonna be? Because
I mean, yes, it would be easier, but it would also be boring. Coming from two different cultures, two different countries, everything. I mean, we're learning something new about each other every day, pretty much. She has her foods that she likes from, American foods, and I have some Haitian foods I like, and, obviously there's ones I don't like.
Yeah.
But, it's every day is something different. It's not the same thing every day.
Yeah, like you said, it's the same thing I'm thinking of. Like, nous pas tant que j'aime gen bagay qui dit comme ça. On connaît tant que de l'aide de moun marié parce que nous sorti même culture avec moun nan bien même pays. Ou getan like all over your husband, all over your boyfriend or wife, like the 2 first year or the 2 first month, and after that, you're done. You're on your corner. The person is on the corner because they don't have much to do anymore. Because
the excitement's
over.
over.
Etan kou nou chapon, nou fon ti tan ap nou close, nou remen lot nou d'amour, nou enjoy. Apre sa, ouwe nou chapon bo diferent. Raison pou ki sa? Parce que tout ça pour ta moto yo getan konnen yo nous tant qu'on nier un petit moment bien rapide ce qui fait que moi pas aucun problème avec dans notre culture nous toujours gain bagay apprendre et même l'aime faire expérience avec leur culture pam tout pas rien pour me critiquer de ça pas rien pour me critiquer dans culture pam tout le monde c'est monde ça va dépendre de monde ou gain mais on comprend ça me dit non so moi toujours essayer pour me chercher activité à partenaire moi dans culture pam tout pas même pour me rester dans relation pour me sentir mieux vous comprenez mais avec notre culture tout il y a encore toujours gon bagay pour apprendre toujours gon bagay qui a fait oh wow pas comme ça non et puis moun nan tout bon côté pam tout like sometimes some stuff I show him just like oh I didn't know that so but I would say this though if sim tap de pop culture seulement the question is a yes and no. Yes, was gonna be much easier on food because some of the food I wanna eat, William don't like it. I have to cook his food for him. Vice versa. Some of the food he's cooking, I don't like it. I have to cook my own food. But we have a lot of food that I like on American culture. We cook together. Some Haitian food he likes, we cook together. Like what? Dewey John, Akra. And plantains, all those craziness. So all those good stuff, not craziness. So he likes them. So before today, my own culture was gonna be easy on food, but other things. So just like, so it's just a blessing because I'm always learning. I always have stuff to do. I never bored. Let me say. So yeah, I'm pas niais, I'm toujours gon bagay, I'm fais toujours activité, I'm toujours gen bagay, m'a pas prendre. Li pa kembe, li pa niais. Nou sa m'ti, par contre, si nou ka kompon sa m'ti. Yeah, but to say the least, let me see. But the answer I gave her though, it was, so it's just like you telling me to not follow my dream or to not fall in for somebody that I love just because you're from different culture. No, that doesn't make sense. You love what you love, you go for it. It's not about culture, it's not about color, it's not about the race. Just go for it just because that's what you want. That's it. And the other one is just, the question is just like, if we're not scared for when our kids go to school, for them to not get bullied and stuff.
I mean, it's crossed my mind before, but moving here to Oklahoma, there's a lot more mixed race people here than than both of us thought would be. So I don't really think it's an issue. Now, I think if we move to some hillbilly location like West Virginia or, well, sorry, Ian and Maggie, no offense to you guys, but if we moved, let's say Georgia or, Alabama, Mississippi, I think I'd be a little bit more concerned. But, so far, I haven't really seen anything. And like I said, there's a lot of mixed, race kids here. Plus, I think Noah's going to be a big kid, so I don't think too many people are really going to mess with him.
He's going to be tall and big.
So I don't think too many people are going to mess with him anyway. So.
Yeah, pour moi-même bâton, mom. That crossed my mind for real. When you asked me out, I said, what about if I start having babies? What is it for them? So that was one of the questions I asked myself before saying yes to you. But after that, I'm like, you know what? I cannot live my life on fear only. So I have to just embrace, and then the world is changing. So we're not gonna stay like the same way. Just, every day is a new thing. So, mam, juste penser avec ça, après ça, moi juste embrasser, me dire comme ça, le monde là a changé, chaque jour son nouveau bagay. Pas qu'à mettre tête moi dans peur seulement, pour ma vivre dans la peur seulement, to not go for what I want. Pour pas aller dans ça me vle, dans ça me désirer, pour moi juste penser, pour moi juste imaginer. Is that my drink you're drinking?
It's yours.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I hope I answer some of your guys' questions, even you don't want to come out and say it. Yeah, the question I have a lot. Me, I have it a lot. You just like, oh, does your husband always date other race, or are you the first black sheep he dated? Yeah, I have that question a lot. But they ask me a lot. Yo pose une question sans pile. Oh, est-ce que c'est premier noir m'a ou date? Est-ce que c'est la première monde noir qui sorti ou même? So.
Oh, you want me to answer it?
Of course, because it's your question, but they ask me all the time.
So no, she's not the first
You don't
black
have to
woman.
tell people's names.
Yeah, she's not the first black woman I've dated. She's definitely not the first person I've dated out of my own race. And that's for
So you
sure.
can tell them which race did you date?
So pretty much everything except for everything. So I guess I wanted to sample all the goods before making a decision. But
Yeah, so because we did on Pilot Nation, Japanese, he dated black before on St. Lucia. When he was a military, when he was younger, he dated St. Lucian woman. Obviously, St. Lucia is black. So, yeah, I'm not the first one, okay? I'm the one who stays with. Yeah, so the other question I have, other question I have a lot is a lot of women who keep asking me, can you help me get a white guy? Hey, let me look at you. I am not like, how do you call it?
matchmaker.
Not a matchmaker. I'm sorry. So I was not looking for a white guy. He happened to be white. I don't know how to find one. So if you guys think you're gonna be so intimidated out there, like, you know, we have strong opinion, and then we have our strong voice and stuff like that. We have our there's a gesture when we're talking, we do things and stuff like that. So they are gonna be intimidated. They will not come and talk to ya. Oui, si nous pensons que nous gagnons parce que nous gagnons que personnalité nous l'âge, nous parler, nous faire gestes, nous bagaille, yon ti gens plus calme yo même. Et pas venir parler avec nous. C'est ça nous besoin. Mais moi même pas un monde qui dans coup t'a chercher un monde qui blanc. Il juste river les blancs. Parce que si était blanc t'a chercher pas j'aime prendre l'autre nation, moi prendre l'autre nation déjà. T'as été avec l'autre nation déjà. You know, so il juste river blanc les blancs, même mais pas ça me t'a chercher sur seulement était un monde qui blanc. Sinon, you know, I was not looking for one. Just happened to be here.
Same here.
Yeah, so. My hair is just like disturbing me. That's why you guys see I'm doing this, doing that. So, yep. I hope I answer most of you guys' questions. I hope the video is not too long for you to watch. So,
Oh, I thought it's kind of silly because I'm sure people have wondered. So no, we don't have a lot of other interracial couple friends that we hang out with. To be honest, the only other interracial couple I know is my friends Ian and Maggie. But that's about it. I mean, we don't, you know, go on Facebook and look for interracial couple groups or anything like that. You know, if you're white and you're a couple, great. If you're black and you're a couple, great.
yeah.
If you're Hispanic, Asian, we like hanging out with
We
you.
hang out with everybody,
Yeah.
every race, every culture. We're not like saying, oh, you're not mixed, I'm not hang out with you. Not mixed, my son will not be your kid's son, friend. No, we're not like that.
If
So,
you're not wild and crazy, then we're good with you.
yeah, if you're not crazy person who's doing bad thing out there, you're welcome. I open my arm to you, to my home, and my family is very warming. We are very warming people, so it's not like we're choosing what we do. You know what I mean? So, except if you're bad, so of course we're not gonna be a friend with you. But yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Share with your friends. If you guys have any questions, please go in the comment section. So comment. We on Instagram with all the platforms. So
Send it to WhatsApp, Facebook, everything.
so if it's so late, like the sun is just bothering me. Like if you see my face is just tied up and stuff like that, the sun is just bothering my eyes. Soleil la nuit, j'ai mon pile si nous fille qui j'ai fait grimace, soleil la fatigué j'ai moi. Et puis nous mener monsieur envie de manger, il était là, il va manger dans la vidéo. So I'm eating for him. That thing is good.